Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Omotola. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification button so that you always get notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in with me today. Today I have decided to film this tutorial. I have worn my hair like this for years before I started having children, and I have never thought of sharing this information before, but I see that it's quite popular here on YouTube, and I just wanted to put my own version of this kind of silk press out there. So for years I have done what I know to be hair straightening. I didn't know it had a name up until like 2 years ago when I saw that silk press was actually a thing on YouTube and it was big. So over the years I've picked up one or two things and have perfected my technique. For the past 2 years I think I have been doing things differently. Okay, so for the past couple of years I have left this technique and just stuck with protective styles like braids and weaves, and I decided to just go back to this as I will be going back into my natural hair. I told you in my last video that I will be transitioning back to my natural hair because I have been suffering with a lot of shedding, and my edges, guys, my edges are... And like I told you in my last video, I will be transitioning back to my natural hair because I just feel like I need that break and my hair needs that break. So I decided to go back into the silk press to just help me transition from my relaxed hair to my new growth. So in this video I will be showing you how and what I use to achieve this hair, and this video is not sponsored at all. All the products that I will be using here today are products that I bought myself, and they work for me, so I keep using them all the time. And the equipment I'll be using the blow dryer and the hair straightener from CARMEN Black. This is my go-to set. I've used it for some months now and I think I've fallen in love with it. I've used it for a couple of months and it does the work. It's relatively cheap on the market and I'm happy with it. Okay, so sequel to my last video, I told you guys that I will be transitioning back to my natural hair, and I have begun the process already. So what I did was I trimmed off my hair, and I did this in layers. I'm sorry, it was late at night so I couldn't film and I needed to prepare my hair for Sunday, so that was why. So I trimmed my hair and I gave myself some layers. I took a couple of inches off my hair and I just trimmed off all of the dead hair. And I will be rocking this bob hairstyle for a couple of weeks to a month until I'm tired of it and I want to put my hair back in a protective style, just so that my new growth keeps growing, and I'll take it from there. So I just shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and part my hair into 4 sections, and this allows me to just walk easily. I'm going to spray on some water and add my Cantu Leave-in conditioner in that small section. Walk it from the tip to the base of my hair, and I'll make sure that it's fully incorporated. Then I'm going to go in with my mousse and apply like a handful of that into my hair. Then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer with the concentration nozzle and a wide tooth comb, and basically stretch my hair out as much as possible. The goal here is to get my hair as straight as possible before I go in with the curling iron. Okay, so I'm just going to continue this process for the rest of my hair, and I'm doing this on low heat. When I'm done applying the mousse and the leave-in conditioner, I'm just going to go in with my Argan oil from Aunty, and I'm going to apply this only on my roots and my edges, and I'm just going to give my head a light massage. I do this to stimulate my hair follicles and just get this growing process started. Peppermint oil also works. And then I'm going to go in with my hair polisher. This is a serum from olive oil, and I'm applying about 2 to 3 drops and applying that to my hair at the tip and
just basically all around my hair. This is just going to protect my hair from the heat from the curling iron. Okay, so starting again from the back, I'm going to work in really small sections, and I'm going to be going in with my comb and my hair straightener with 1 or 2 passes with the hair straightener, and I'm going to be using the chase method. I'm going to be putting the comb at the base of my hair, and I'm going to be following it up with the hair straightener, and this just helps my ends not to clump up, and it just gives it that very nice finish. I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this process all through my hair until I'm done with the entire section. Okay, so when I'm done with that, I just go around the perimeter of my hair and I will redefine my bob just to give it that extra bang. And that is it, guys. I'm just going to apply some edge control, and I'll be using my Argan infused Eco Styler gel to apply some gel to my baby hairs. And that is it, guys. So this process took about an hour from start to finish, and that includes washing my hair and filming, so it could probably take you less. And just in case anyone is wondering, this will not affect my new growth at all. The straightening process will definitely revert back, and I will get my curls back, so there is nothing to worry about. My hair will not stay straightened forever. It will definitely revert back to my curls. Okay, so if you made it this far into the video, I would like to thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye, guys.